What if I told you that every second you create your reality? And trust me, it was woo-woo for me the first time I heard it too, but not until I realized what I'm about to share with you. It all clicked for me when I understood that we human beings consist not of millions, but actually billions of cells that are all interconnected. And the crazy part? Did you know they communicate? Indeed, there's been a study that showed people who always tell themselves, I can't sleep, I'm horrible at falling asleep, indeed communicated to their cells that they are bad at sleeping, while others that had the same conditions but just told themselves, I'll try my best, actually fell asleep way easier because your cells communicate. Basically, every thought that you have. Did you realize that when you think about something bad that happened to you, like the moment your parents neglected you, you feel bad with your whole body? Essentially, the reason for it is that one single cell out of those billion cells that you have in your body felt what you were thinking about. And because they are connected, now a bunch of your cells feels like it. And that's where those whole change your thoughts and change your reality comes in. Because essentially, when you think about a positive thing, about something you really want in your life, you infect one cell that then communicates this to all other cells that also align to it. And that's how your whole body feels like those one thought that you had in your mind. And guess what? If you think about those things that you really want to have, your body is on those whole level, like every cell feels it. And that's how you start to act the way you want. It literally easily attracts, comes into your life. That's all where those law of attraction comes from. It's not some woo-woo. It's actually based on your cells communicating. And that's how you can change your life with just planting a better thought into your mind that then duplicates 1,000 times in your whole body. So the way to get what you want is to think that you can get it and imagine that you already have it. But more on that on another video. Now, if you found this interesting, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to learn even more new and crazier things. If you want to dive deeper into your thoughts, changing your reality, check out this next.